next to it. Okay, so let's do a numerical example here. We're going to do V cross B here. And so I write I, J, K. Oops, that's a messy one. I and J. Again, you may have learned other ways to do this, but as a reminder, this is the way that I showed you. You don't have to do it this way. But, so here it is. And so I go down through I this way, so it's -6 times -5, so it's 30 minus, and going up this way, 0. So it's 30 I plus, and then for J, I go down this way, so it's 4 times 3, 12, minus, and then to go J this way, I go that way, so it's minus but plus 10, J, plus, and then for K, I go down this way, so that's 0 minus -18, so that's 18K. All right, so that's the V cross B. And then what I'm going to do now is, so let me simplify this. 30I plus 22J plus 18K. So now if it's a proton, what I do is I take this and I multiply it by Q, because the force is QV cross B. So this is V cross B. So then for part A, it would simply be the charge of a proton. So I take 1.6 times 10 to the -19th, and I multiply it by this. And so what I think that ends up being is the force vector is 4.8 times 10 to the -18th I plus 3.52 times 10 to the -18th J plus 2.88 times 10 to the -18th K. So that's the force on a proton. If this thing is an electron, then it's just, so this is the force on a proton. The force on an electron is just negative times the force on a proton. And since this is a negative, you just put negatives in front of each of these, and that reverses the direction, goes in the opposite direction.